Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Easy Learn Economics. This is Dr. Caval. Today we are going to learn about linear demand function that our objective is to learn that how to construct a demand function and second objective is how to find quantity demanded at any point on the demand curve. These are our objective. Number one objective is to how to construct a demand function by using a demand schedule or demand curve. So we are taking a demand schedule here. When the price is 10 rupees, the quantity demanded for piano ball pens is 500. When the company decreases the price from 10 to 8 rupees, the quantity demanded increases from 500 to 1000, and as price decreases, the quantity demanded increases likewise. So from this demand schedule we have to construct a demand function. As we know that quantity demanded function is quantity demanded of X is equal to A plus BP, where A is the autonomous demand and A changes with respect to change in non-price determinant, and QD is the quantity demanded is the quantity demand for piano ball pens at different price level, and D is the inverse of the slope. It is the inverse of the slope. That is change in Q with respect to change in P. This is the inverse of slope because in this function, if we plot a graph here, quantity demanded is dependent variable, where P is price is independent variable. That's why here we find the how much quantity demanded changes with respect to change in price. So the price is on y-axis and quantity demanded is on x-axis. So that's why the quantity demanded is on x-axis and price in rupees is on y-axis. So here we find the change in quantity demanded with respect to change in price. It means the B or the beta is the inverse of the slope, not the slope, because the slope is equal to change in y with respect to change in x. But here we are dealing with change in x with respect to change in y. So this is not the case here. That's why the slope is equal to change in q with respect to change in price. So as we know that we have to find here, one thing we have to find is the beta. Beta, as we know here, that beta, that is the slope, is equal to change in q with respect to change in p. So we are taking any quantities on demand schedule. For example, we are taking these q2 and q1 and p2 and p1. Change in q means is equal to q2 minus q1, and upon change in p is equal to p2 minus p1. So we are solving it for beta, that is q2 is 1500 and q1 is 1000, p2 is 6 and p1 is 8. 1500 minus 1000, the 500 divided by 6 minus 8 minus 2, and so beta is equal to minus 250. Here this point is to be noted here that their beta sign is always negative because of the inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. As price decreases from 6 to 4, the quantity demanded increases from 1500 to 2000. That's why this beta is always negative. That is, here we have calculated minus 250. It shows that 1 unit increase in price leads to decline 250 units of pain. So if company increases 1 rupee, the quantity demanded declines by 250. So this is the beta. And now we have to find the alpha. So alpha can be found, or A can be found, by plugging this beta value in this equation. So for example, here we are finding alpha. Quantity demanded of x is equal to A plus BP. So A we don't know, we have to find this O, and the B, as we have found, that is a negative minus 250, and P, for example, the price is 4. We are taking this price 4. So alpha would be, and the quantity demanded at price 4 is 2000. So A plus minus minus 1000, 2000 here. So A is equal to 2000 plus 1000. So A is equal to 3000. A is equal to 3000. As we know here that A is equal to 3000. It means this is the point, that is quantity demanded 3000 is autonomous. So here when the price is 10, the quantity demanded is 500. When price decreases from 10 to 8, the quantity demanded increases to 1000. And this is the intercept alpha. By joining these points, we get a curve that is demand curve. This is the A intercept is 3000, that is in your equation. We can make an equation now here. Quantity demanded of X is equal to 3000 minus 250 P. So this is our one demand equation. So 3000 is an intercept here. Minus 250, as we have counted here, the beta value that 1 rupee increase in price leads to decline 250 units of the pen, or 1 rupee decrease in price leads to increase the quantity demanded by 250 units. So we can calculate here. So this is the demand function. Now the second objective is how to find quantity demanded at any point on the demand curve. For example, what would be the quantity demanded when the price is 4 to 5? When the price increases from 4 to 5. So the quantity demanded would be between 1500 and 2000 when the price is 5. So here is there is no quantity demanded for 5. So we have to find out the quantity demanded when the price is 5, let's suppose. So 3000 is our intercept minus 250 and price is 5. So we have to solve for it. So 3000 minus 1250, that would be the quantity demanded of X at price 5 is 1750. That would be between these points. So 1500 and 2000, that would be the quantity demanded at price 5 is 1750. So we have proved that how to construct a demand function. So we have constructed this demand function, and how to find quantity demanded at any point on the demand curve. So by using this demand function, we can find any quantity. You can find here what would be the quantity demanded when the price is 7. So you have to repeat this procedure by taking this as 7. So quantity demanded will be between 1000 and 1500. So this is the first part of our linear demand function, in we learned how to construct a demand function and how to find a quantity on demand curve at any point. In the next part of the linear demand function, in the second part, we will learn that how the demand and how does the intercept changes, and other objective would be that how the beta will change and the intercept remain the same. So that will be learned in the second part of the linear demand function. Thank you for watching.